So I'm back from another video, and this video is gonna be about yeah, y'all seen this video trying to touch my phone. Y'all see up in there, she trying to touch my phone. Yeah, we doing the challenge. I stick my finger, this finger right here inside of something. I mean something that really stinks up in there. Okay, I bet y'all $20 that I can sneeze with my eyeball open. Hold on.
Whatever you're craving, and whenever you're craving it, DoorDash has the restaurants you want delivered to your door, wherever your door happens to be. Download DoorDash, the most restaurants across America. First order $0 delivery fee. With all-day comfort for all-day fun, the Pink Fit Flex underwear features maximum absorbency, ultra-soft fabric, and new beautiful designs for your best comfort and protection guaranteed. Life's better when you're in it. Be there with the Pink.
I can't believe it. That I won the Best Out sweepstakes and I get to be in this Geico commercial.
Let's do the
It
eyebrows
was
first.
me.
Just tease it a little. Slather it all over. Hello, back.
Squirrels followed me all the way out to California, and there's a very strange badger staring at me.
No, I can't believe how easy it was to save hundreds of dollars in car insurance with Geico.
Where's the camera?
Mr. Big Shot's got his own trailer.
Hey, did I tell y'all I could do it without touching my eyes?
Save you 15% or more on your car insurance.
Building a best bank starts with looking at something old and saying, really? So we built Capital One cafes with savings and checking accounts you can open here in 5 minutes. This is banking reimagined. Senior VP goes to what?
Don't forget about the giveaway. Don't forget about the giveaway. Yeah.